Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Gluco Revive capsule. So as you can see right here, it helps you with your cardiovascular health, or proprietary blood formula, glycogen support, and a lot of things which promote a healthier lifestyle, especially for older people. And as you can see, we have it here on Amazon, and you can scroll down right here to see the reviews, and they're actually rated 3.7 out of 5 stars. Now let's actually go over the reviews here. So this person said it's easy to take and feels like it supports my energy levels. Great addition to a healthy lifestyle for glycogen support. And some people said this product caused a reaction for me. Took it as directed, woke up and had visual problems. And basically, if you're allergic, before buying this, you might want to research if you're allergic to these types of supplements or any ingredients in this supplement, since it can cause, just like this person said, it can cause him like visual problems or vision problems or another allergic reaction. For this person said, did not see any difference. He was just like another one of those money grabbers. And it may depend. It won't work for all types of people. It may be dependent on your body. But since it works for most people right here in the reviews, you should try this out. But before you do it, you should do some research if you're allergic to anything. And maybe that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.